You're the wrong person. Guys, don't do it!
You're making this worse.
On February 13th, 2021, police responded to gate 125 at Orlando International Airport after a passenger, later identified as Erica Murin, blatantly ignored the mask mandate, escalating tensions and causing a chaotic scene on board.
Ma'am, how are you doing tonight?
Man, we just need to talk to you outside real quick if you don't mind. Just go ahead.
Not kidding at all. Walk up to the room. Walk up to the problem is that you wouldn't comply with the mask rule on the airplane. Walk
No,
up top.
I did. You have the wrong person.
No, we don't.
No, that's not me.
Don't make
That's
this
not
difficult.
This isn't me.
Man,
That's
can we
somebody
just go outside
My
and
mask
talk,
has
please?
been on me and no one has spoken to me.
Walk up here.
Can you
No one
please
has
go?
spoken to me?
Ma'am, you are holding
This
up.
entire time?
Everybody's trying to
I
get
don't
off
know why
the
you guys
plane.
are making this up. That wasn't
We're
me.
not making it up.
You have somebody
Please
else? You're the wrong person. You're the wrong person. What is the problem? My mask?
Please exit the
You need to leave me alone. You guys have you need to. My mask is that big.
Captain, is this the woman that was causing the issue? Okay,
What is
let's
the
go.
problem here? My mask?
Walk.
It was not me.
Walk.
Ma'am, can you go?
I need to be left alone.
No, you don't.
you're
Yeah, I
Walk.
do.
Let's go. Ma'am, walk forward.
You guys need to leave me alone.
Ma'am, you are.
That was the wrong person.
You need to leave.
That's not
Hey,
me.
tell her she needs to leave.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I don't need you guys
Ma'am,
around
he's asking
me.
you to
This
leave.
is unlawful.
He is
And you
asking
need
you
to.
Would you like to press charges?
We need you to exit the jet.
I'm calling my lawyer.
Would you like to press
I'm
charges?
calling my lawyer.
For her to leave.
Turn
Are
around.
you kidding me? Stop. Okay, what? Stop.
Ma'am.
Because of
You're
my
under
mask?
arrest.
Because of my mask?
Ma'am,
No.
turn around.
What is wrong
Because
here?
you-
Okay, I'll comply. Please.
Stop resisting.
What is going on here? Please, stop. Stop, please. Okay, I will comply. What do you want from me?
He asked you to leave. We asked you to leave. He was
Ow!
going to leave.
Ow!
Ma'am,
You
stop
broke it. You broke my hand.
Ma'am.
Please, my finger hurts.
Nobody's hurting you.
Please.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am, comply.
Please stop. What is going on here?
Ma'am,
Are you
comply.
kidding me? Stop. You're having me on purpose. You guys are doing this. Stop. Please. Stop. Please. For God's sake, it wasn't
Ma'am.
me.
Ma'am.
What is going on here? Am I being set up
Come on.
for
Get
a
up.
mask? It wasn't me. It was
I'll grab her stuff.
my mask. Please stop. Don't hurt me. Don't be crazy. My arm is broken now.
You
That's
cracked
my
me.
bracelet. Please, that's my bracelet. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What is happening? I need to call my lawyer.
Stop
I need to call my lawyer right now. I need to call my lawyer. Please.
We're 10-4. Can we get a cage car to 125,
You are
please?
hurting me. You literally broke my iPad. It is cracked.
Ma'am, you had it in your hand. You dropped it.
What is going on? Please leave me alone. Please stop.
Ma'am,
Let
turn
me
around
go.
and walk.
Ow!
Stop
Ow!
resisting.
Will you stop? What is going on
You're
here?
under arrest.
For what?
Trespass at the warning.
Stop. Look at my mask. I'm so confused.
No, I need them.
Where's your thing?
Please, what is happening here? You broke my belongings. It is on, you cracked my iPad. I need to talk to my lawyer. I need to talk to my lawyer right now. I need to talk to my lawyer. This is unbelievable. That was not me. That wasn't me. I don't know who you're talking about. What is going on here?
Packages and avoid transporting items without their knowledge.
Please, you called the wrong person. That was not me. It wasn't me. I have people next to me saying it wasn't me. Because of my mask?
Yeah, because you wouldn't leave.
I'm leaving, okay?
I
I'm
know you're
leaving.
leaving now.
I'm sorry. Of course I'm leaving. I wanted to talk about this.
No, you didn't want to talk about it.
Because I have paparazzi around me. People are taking photos of me walking off the plane. Obvious reasons. I wanted to discuss this in a different manner. Please. It wasn't my mask. My mask? Come on. I can't do this right now. This is not happening.
What's happening?
What is happening?
You're going to jail.
What are you talking about? Stop, please,
Ma'am,
please, please,
continue
please, God,
walking.
please.
Resisting.
No,
Stop resisting.
please.
Just walk.
No, God, no.
Ma'am, just walk.
No. What? No, God, please, I can't afford this.
We asked you to leave the jetway. You didn't want to listen.
God, please, for God.
Let's go. You gotta walk.
Please, God, no, please. I can't. This can't be it.
Ma'am, I need you to walk.
I'm gonna get sick. I'm gonna throw up. Please. No. I gotta talk to my lawyer. This is not right. You guys, please, no. God, please. Ow, my elbow. Ow.
Ma'am, nobody's doing anything.
Stop,
Just
it
continue
hurts.
walking.
Everything hurts.
Stop resisting.
God, no. I can't do this right now. Please, God, no.
Right.
Oh my God. Please,
I got the
no.
elevator.
Please. What did I do wrong?
You didn't leave when you were
I'm leaving. I didn't mean to. No, it was a setup. This is all set up. Please, God, no. This can't happen to me. No. Oh, God, no. Please, God, no.
Hold on.
Okay.
Did we not ask you to leave the jetway? Yes or
I'm
no?
leaving. Yes, I
We
left.
did ask you, right?
I left.
You kept saying no,
I
right?
wanted to talk
You
about
didn't leave
this.
until we made
Please,
you.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
Please, God. No, please. I can't do this. This can't happen to me. Oh my God. You guys, please stop. No. Please, God, no, please, God, no.
Ma'am.
Oh my God, please don't do this
Listen to me.
You guys don't do
You're
anything.
making this worse than it really is.
Oh my God.
We have you on camera with everything.
Please, I'm
So
sorry.
I need you to stop.
Oh my God, no! Please, I'm so
It's
sorry.
not gonna, the screaming and
Oh my
all
God,
that is
you
not
guys,
gonna
I'm
change the
so
fact.
sorry.
We
Please.
asked you to leave.
Please, let
You
me
didn't
talk
wanna
to you.
leave. That's it.
Please, God, no.
That's
I can't do this. Okay, I want to leave. I'll leave. I'm
It's
so
too late.
sorry. I'm sorry.
We asked you.
I'm so sorry. Please don't do anything. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna put
I
her stuff in
can't.
her bag real quick.
I can't. I'm sorry. You guys, I'm so sorry. Please, God, no, please. Oh my God, no, please. You guys, I'm so sorry.
Stay right here.
Oh my God.
Face the truck.
Please, God, I'll do anything. Please,
Do not
God.
move.
I won't move. I swear to God, I won't move. I swear to God.
Is your ID in here? Is your ID in here?
Yes.
Where?
It's in there. You guys, I'm so sorry. Can I call my mom, please?
Stand right there.
My mom.
Don't move. Where's your ID in? Which bag? Ma'am, which bag is your ID in?
I'm so sorry, you guys. Listen, please. You guys, please. I'll do anything. You guys, anything. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, stand right here.
I'm so sorry.
Do not move.
You guys, I am so sorry. Please, it's Valentine's Day. I'm alone. I'm so alone on Valentine's Day. Please, God, I'll do
I'm looking
anything
for her ID.
you. Please, God, please. No. What happened to you?
You.
No, that was not me.
Yeah, it was.
It was not me. No, it wasn't.
Ma'am, his arm was perfectly fine before he interrupted.
No, it wasn't me. That just happened. You walked across your truck. That was not you. You were holding me.
Ma'am, stop.
Stay up
And stay right here.
That was not me.
Stay right here, ma'am.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
What? That was not me.
I got her.
Officer,
I
I'm
got her.
sorry. That was not me.
Nothing was you.
Officer.
Everything's about
Please look at me. Officer,
conspiracy.
please.
Everything's about conspiracy. Nothing had to do with you. Okay.
Officer, I will do anything for you. I'm so
You gotta
sorry.
go to jail, man.
I got a passport so far.
Officer, I am so sorry.
I know.
I will do anything. Please look at me, please.
It's okay. You just gotta go to jail.
Officer, please.
189. Can you stop it at DL20?
Nothing at all. You guys, please, Scott. You have no idea what this is going to do to me.
Erica, middle of Lima.
You have no idea what this is going to do to me.
Uniform Romeo.
You guys, please,
India,
Scott.
November.
I'm on my knees.
White female.
I'm so sorry.
11,
Please,
21,
please.
88.
You guys, I gotta call my mom. Can I call my mom?
Not right now.
You guys, please.
Not right now.
Please, I'm sorry. You guys, I'm sorry. I will do anything. I will do anything for you.
Where's your license at?
I don't know. I don't know. Officer, what's your name? Adams. Can you please look at me? Officer Adams.
You gotta go to jail.
Why?
You're going to jail. Because they told you to leave and you refused to leave.
I'm leaving. Please.
Too late.
Officer, look at me. Please, it's Valentine's Day. Please.
You don't have
I'm at the
Valentine's.
mercy. I'm at the mercy of you.
You already said that you don't have Valentine's.
Please, I will do anything. I'm so sorry. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I have to go. I leave. Can I please, Officer Adams? Officer Adams, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Officer Adams. Please level with me. I will do anything. I am so sorry. I am at your mercy, Officer Adams. Officer Adams, I'm at your mercy. I am at your mercy.
I know.
I have.
But you gotta go to jail.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing personal. It's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal for me.
It's nothing personal.
Please, for
you just
God's
gotta go.
Please, I'm praying. I'm praying. I'm praying. I have no money. I have no. I have nothing. I have no source of income. I have no money. I cannot do this right now. You guys, please. I have no one in my life. I have nothing. This is gonna make my life so much worse. Please, God, please. Officer Adams. Officer Adams, please. Please. Everything has been taken from me, okay? Everything.
The operator, expiration 11/21/2026,
I don't know what I did.
All right.
I'm sorry I didn't leave, but I wanted to just talk it out.
Listen to me.
Please.
Woman to woman. Listen to me.
Woman to woman.
Okay?
Woman to woman.
When we
I'm peeing my pants. I literally peed.
Listen.
So sorry.
Listen to me.
Yes, I'm sorry. Please.
We didn't want it. Ma'am, stand up.
I'm praying.
Stand up. Listen to me.
I'm begging you guys.
We didn't want it
begging.
to get to this
I know.
point.
I'm sorry. I'm begging
The thing
you.
is, the captain pointed you out.
I get it.
And said that you were the issue.
Okay.
Now, yes or no, we asked you to leave to get out
Okay, you're
the
right. I
jetway.
should have left.
And you said
You're right.
no, you didn't
You're
want
right.
to leave.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Okay?
Okay. I
Now,
should have left.
The moment that he says, the person that is for the airline, says that they don't want you here, and you're still refusing.
You're right. I just
that's
trying
now
to
a
talk
trespass after warning.
Okay.
And that is why you're in the cuffs right now.
Because I was trespassing.
The moment he told you to leave and you didn't want to leave, that's now a trespass after
You're
warning.
right. I'm so sorry.
And knowing the situation that you're in,
sorry.
because you said you don't have a job right now, right?
Right now, no one
You
does.
don't have any income.
I live in Los Angeles.
This would not be the best
No,
situation
you're
you want to
right.
put yourself in.
You're right.
But unfortunately, you did.
This was so dumb
Okay.
of me. I'm so
You get a
sorry.
statement from him?
Yep, you got it.
Sorry. Officers.
Are you going to be good here?
Please,
All right.
please.
Let me know if you need anything.
I'm praying.
Erica, you gotta go. The decision's already been made.
No, please, guys, please, guys, please stop, please. I'm so sorry. There's no way. This is real. I can't. I'm so sorry. Adams. No, I'm so sorry. What happens? I don't even know how this is going to be handled. My mom's going to pick me up. How is this?
Sure.
How much is this going to be?
$500.
Oh my God. What's going to happen after that?
From here, I've got a car coming with a cage in it. You're going to sit in the back seat of the car. We're going to go to the jail. You're going to get fingerprinted and photographed. And then you wait until your mom comes and bonds you out of jail. The bond's $500, and then when you bond out of jail, they'll give you a court date to appear.
And then what?
Depends on you. You plead guilty or no contest, it's over with. If you plead not guilty, I'll come to court, you come to court, I'll bring the video, the guy from Southwest will come, and we'll let the jury decide whether you're guilty or not.
So sorry, Officer Adams.
Erica, it is what it is. It's nothing personal.
I don't have my phone, so I don't know who to. I can't call
Your phone's
anybody.
in the bag, right?
I'm so sorry this happened.
That's gonna stay with you.
I'm sorry this happened. was a misunderstanding. I swear it was a misunderstanding.
Well, I told you to leave.
I should have left.
You should have left.
I'm so sorry.
I'm a police officer. Go to the light. Make a left. Go through the door.
Thank you.
Yep. No, right here. Yes, sir. On the 122 side.
I should have left.
Yes,
I was just trying to talk to you guys about this. I wanted to.
No,
just
you
get
didn't
it.
want to talk to
You're
us.
right. Because I know people were taking photos of me. Didn't you see a guy with a
I didn't pay
Canon
attention.
camera?
I didn't pay attention. Because people take photos of us all the time. I don't pay attention to cameras. We get videoed every day. I have a video camera.
Officer, please, I'm at your mercy.
I have a job to do.
I'm at your mercy.
I have a job to do.
I know, but like,
I'm not going
to
to get in trouble
I
to
left.
keep you out of trouble.
Please, for the
I'm
love
not
of
gonna
God,
get in trouble.
I'm 32 years old. I
Okay.
have no one in my life. I don't need this.
I'm not going to get in
I won't
trouble.
do anything. Please, I will never let this happen again.
I'm not
Please.
going to get in trouble
Please.
to let you stay out of trouble.
But
It's not
please,
going to happen.
Officer Adams, this is everything.
I've already
you need.
said that you
This
were
is-
under arrest
But
over
please,
the radio.
please,
Everybody
I
and
will
their brother.
apologize
Everybody heard
to the
it.
world. I'm so sorry.
No, ma'am. It doesn't work like that.
Officer, please.
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry I left. This isn't right.
We dragged you,
Because
kicking and screaming, literally.
I'm sorry, okay? This
Right.
cannot happen to me. This can't be my life. This cannot happen. I don't have anything. I don't know my mom's phone number. I don't know anyone's
It's in
number.
your phone.
So I have to get my phone?
Your phone stays with you.
So I'm in trouble for what?
For not leaving.
For not leaving. Officer, I left. You didn't have to arrest me for this.
Over there.
This doesn't have to be an arrest. This doesn't have to be an arrest.
Okay, have a seat right here for me.
What you're getting in?
Please, this doesn't need to be an arrest. This doesn't, please. Hi, Bob.
Okay.
How are you?
Stay in the car.
Okay.
You have to go.
Oh.
He's my boss.
Please. I'm so
I have a
sorry.
boss to answer
I'm so
to.
sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You had the chance to go. Once you're
I
arrested,
should have
you're
went.
arrested.
I should have went. I should have left. But for God's sake, like, I'm so sorry. This is from the bottom of my heart. This will never, ever, 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 never happen again. I'm praying to
I
God.
believe you.
I'm at the mercy of you. This cannot
There's
happen.
no mercy.
To me.
It's,
right now,
it's the law.
That's what I said.
I messed up. I shouldn't have
It's
done
nothing
that.
personal.
I should have just left. But
It's
to be
nothing
honest,
personal, Erica.
you're right.
Not personal.
I was wrong.
Okay.
Don't
So you,
judge, the whole
I'm
thing will go
sorry.
away.
so
The
you,
whole
ha-
thing will go away.
so you have to go. So watch your
Please,
foot.
please, I just want to go
Sorry.
home.
Watch your foot.
But please, what's your name?
Goodwin.
Officer
Trust
Goodwin,
me,
please. I'm telling you, it's a day for Valentine's Day. I don't even have a date. Like,
Watch your foot.
I just wanted to just go home.
Watch your foot.
I'm alone.
Erica, put
please,
your foot in the car. Do it now. Put your foot in the car and do it now. Thank you.
She was charged with simple trespassing, resisting an officer without violence.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.